Hello Dragons, we now have our points and facts for topic 1, and now we're going to move on to our points and facts for topic 2. So the second topic is the Cuban Missile Crisis, and again, when you want to find out your points, you want to think about how did the Cuban Missile Crisis cause the Cold War. So I'm going to go ahead and click into the notes. So you've watched the video already, and now you've also looked at the notes, so now we can come up with our topic. So when we're looking at the topic, we have to think about how do we want to answer the question, and we just don't want to write like what should Kennedy do, or that Khrushchev takes over, or write something like what were the outcomes from Cuba. No, you actually want to think about how did the Cuban Missile Crisis cause the Cold War. Now, of course, the first easiest one that you can think of is it caused a lot of tension between, actually all three of them, between Cuba, USA, and USSR. So that's an easy one. Then if you think about the tensions that were caused, you can talk about how it almost caused World War III, how there wasn't, very good communication between the two, how, everyone was scared what would happen. So if he actually did the blockade, if JFK actually did the blockade, what is Khrushchev going to do? And then what is Khrushchev going to be thinking about? Okay, once I put my missiles in, are they going to possibly cause the war? And so then you've got this information here for tension. Then you can also talk about topics such as how it changed the face of the Cold War. Then you can talk about the outcomes, how they have the red hotline put in between so they can talk to each other, how certain, like how Khrushchev, looked bad how Khrushchev for China did not look very good, how you could talk about how Kennedy actually looked really strong after how his failure for the Bay of Pigs. You can also talk about just how the arms race in general, how the Cuban Missile Crisis made the arms race go up, how it closed the gap. So there's three things that you can talk about. Just the tensions, how the outcomes made people look. You can talk also about how the arms race worked, and then you state facts. So if you like one of those three, you can use one of those three. Then after that, then you're going to have to place in some of the facts. I'd kind of given you some ideas of facts, so if you can't think of facts, go back and re-listen to this again. Okay, bye.